Hello guys, this is JPY Moto. So for this video I will show you how to apply Automoto Care Trim Detailer. Ayan. So this is for faded plastics and rubbers to restore their darkness or their color. This is how you apply. First, shake well. Of course, you have to wipe. Yeah. Apply a small amount there. There. So guys, this is the treated part and untreated part. So you can see how it restores the color there. Treated, untreated. So guys, it's up to you to decide. This is the effect of Automoto Care Trim Detailer. It's JPY Moto. Peace out.